Allégro work by playing some hopscotch. So I've already drawn what the hopscotch layout should be across the driveway, or in this case, the sidewalk area. And I'll post pictures part of the video, but at the very end, and a diagram so you can see. So there's a specific way I want the diagram drawn because it's going to be reflective of the jumps that we're going to do to practice our Allégro work. I'm also using just a couple of little rocks that we have so that way I can toss them. If you have a beanbag, that's cool too, or something else, whatever works. So the simplistic way to play is just going to the set of 4. This layout allows us to practice our French numbers and being able to count and all that stuff. There's different ways that I laid it out so you can make it as difficult or easy as you would like. So let's start with the easy one. Just going to 4, you can hop and just toss one of the rocks. If that's the one you land on, you're going to jump over it. You can just go tamave. Anytime you have to jump over, like the leaping over our puddles and stuff that we do in dance, in our pre-dance class. And then you can jump again. You can make this a little more challenging and try hopping on 1 foot, jump up and over, hop on 1 or 2 feet, and 1 or 2 feet. So you can practice 1 or 2 footed jumps. Then we have the big one. So I've numbered this up through 10. I'm going to toss my second rock. And now things get more detailed. So now, the first one, I would do a tamave. Then because my rock is there, I'm going to jump over it. And on my third one, I'm going to practice an E.P.I.C. And then my fourth one, I have a changement. And then my fifth one, I have a tamave saute. This one gives me an option. But I'm skipping over fifth because that's where my rock landed. My sixth one is a saute passe. My seventh one is a saute arabesque. My eighth one is an ensemble. My ninth one is a glissade. And my 10th one is a jeté. Now, one of the other ways you can do this is by traveling side to side with it. So I put a certain setup where you have those 2 squares, sometimes 3, so you can do multiple échappés or multiple sautes or multiple glissades. So you have some options to play with this, and I've laid all that out. Like I said, I'll post it at the end of the video so you can just have some fun, practice your Allégro work, and do something other than your normal hopscotch game. So I hope you have fun, and I will see you tomorrow with another game.